As finish work inside the Cuppersmith project progresses, one of the chores we have to complete is rebuilding the stair handrails where we cut out the second floor landing earlier. After the corner newel post is cut down to the proper height, Mark's first challenge is creating some bullnose trim to match the heart pine floors on the second level.
Yeah, how did you do that anyway?
Well, I can't tell you all my trade secrets. You may use it on TV or something. No, I just stood a piece up and ripped it a 1/4 inch thick.
Oh, I see.
And I glued it and shot it with a little 5/8 brass, and then I rounded both edges with my router.
That's great.
This will cap the cut end of the upstairs flooring, but before it's installed, he's attaching the old rails reused balusters from the underside.
Shoot these things up from the bottom, and that'll hide those nails.
Then that piece is attached to the floor before the old top rail is put in place.
Now we can just set that top rail right down over them.
The top rail is mortised on the underside for the balusters, so it takes a little finagling.
I have to take these dadgum little pieces out. I didn't want to.
But eventually they all line up in their holes.
Okay, that's it.